What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on ahead. You might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hustle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out here on Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, you name it, all right? So please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you get legit business and you getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get into it. Let's get this thing started. So today I'm going to be talking about the Visa Small Business Credit Card from First Horizon, all right? You can get up to $50,000. Yes, $50,000. Now, like I've been telling y'all before, I'm going to show y'all how to make it real easy. I'm going to show y'all how to really leverage your personal credit towards your business credit so you can get these $50,000 credit cards. And remember, like what I told y'all before in the other videos, how you can stack these credit cards and get multiple credit cards is you have to find out which bureau the credit card is going to pull from, right? So this credit card right here is going to pull from Experian, then in Equifax, or what, which is, let's say it's going to pull from Experian. Then by you knowing that this credit card is only going to pull from Experian, that means you got up to 3 to 2 more cards that you can get under Experian, all right? So, and then say you find another credit card that's only pulling from TransUnion, then you can get 3 or 4 like that, all right? That means you can get more credit cards, more money, all right? So today we're going to be talking about First Horizon Visa Small Business Credit Card that you can get up to $50,000 unsecured, no collateral, none of that needed. 0% APR introductory rate, all that good stuff like that, all right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you guys how to structure your credit profile, your personal credit profile in your business so you can have a better chance of getting approved for this loan, all right? So when it comes to business credit, business loans, business credit card, you need a personal guarantor. They want to make sure like the personal guarantors to say, hey, if you do stop making these loans or paying on this, it's going to affect your personal credit because you are backing up your business, all right? So that's basically what it is. So what you want to do is you want to get your personal credit to a decent standing. It does not have to be an 850. Having an 850 credit score is cool, but it's not needed when you know what you know, when you know business. So what you want to do is you want to get your credit score to a fair to good standing, because having a credit score in a fair to good standing is going to be easier for you to start leveraging towards your business. And how do you get a fair to good standing credit score? You got to start adding trade lines. You got to start adding accounts to your credit report. So adding trade lines, adding AUs, get you 5 AU, get you 5 of them credit card accounts from Trade Line Supply. That's gonna be your 5 credit cards. Get you some trade lines to add the debt on your credit report higher, and it'd be good debt, because like I said, it's good debt and it's bad debt. Bad debt is the debt that you guys got on there, that all these trade lines that you got on your account you're not making payments on, and every time you go check your credit and you look at that calendar and then show the dates that you're supposed to make payments and it's a red X instead of a green check, that means you delinquent on them accounts, you're not making payments, and that's bad. But if you making those payments on those accounts and all those payments are being pay automatically out of your account, you won't have to miss any payments. It's going to be check marks, and it's going to be exceptional payment history. They like to see that. That means you're paying your bills on time, you're paying whatever you're paying on time, and that lets them show that maybe if we gave you a loan or a credit card or whatever, you'll pay us back on time, right? So boom, they want to see that. They want to make sure you got things in order. They want to make sure you got your business in order, right? So boom, everybody is not in the same position. Everybody credit is not the same. Everybody is not the same. Everybody doesn't work at the same place, none of that. So everybody credit score and credit report will be different, point blank period. Nobody lives the same life. So it's people out there that has no credit that needs to build it. There's people out there that has bad credit that need to clean it and rebuild it. So for the people out there that has no credit, that need to just start building, generating credit, what you're going to do is you're going to go add those trade lines from Trade Line Supply. You get up to $42,500 in trade lines on your credit report. Then you're going to go add those 5 credit cards from Trade Line Supply. Then you also, if you pay rent, you can add that from creditrentboost.com. You got Incredible, you got Self, you got Ava. If you pay any Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, any of those streaming accounts, you can add that to your credit report. You can add your bills to your credit report. You can add all these trade lines to your credit report. So that every month that you pay your bills, it'll be reflected on your credit, because you got to pay your bills regardless. So why not have it reflect on your credit? All right, so boom, now that you got all these trade lines being reflected on your credit, you get up to 5 credit cards from trade lines applied on your credit. You can get almost up to $100,000. Easy as that. $50,000 to $100,000 easy. Then you got $40,000 of trade lines from creditstrong.com. That's $90,000 to $100,000 in trade lines that you got right there, and good payment history being reflected right there, and that's all they need. So long as you got that, and you got a bank account, you got paper trails, or you get money going in and out that bank account, that's good. So once you got all those trade lines and stuff, let it marinate, let it age for a second, let it, you know what I'm saying, let it mature on your credit report. Once it matures on your credit report, then you want to go and apply for a $5,000 credit card from your bank or one of these credit card lenders, right? So once you do get approved, because you will get approved, as long as you got those trade lines and you got paper trail how you're getting paid each month, you're going to get approved. So once you got that $5,000 credit card, then you want to leverage that towards because at the end of the day, once you got those trade lines on your credit report, your credit score is going to start jumping regardless, all right? It's going to start building. It's going to start jumping. So once it starts jumping, you get that $5,000 credit card on your personal side. Then you want to leverage it towards your business. So make sure you got your LLC, your EIN number, your Dun & Bradstreet, your Paydex, your NAV account, all that stuff like that. So then once you got your LLC, you're going to start adding net 30 accounts, right? So before that, you want to make sure you got your business checking and savings account, right? So once you get your banking checking savings account, then you will be able to start depositing money so you can see that paper trail. Sometimes you might need to make it easier. Sometimes you might need to open up a bank account with that bank that you're trying to get that loan with. So it got to be premeditated. You say, oh, I want to go get this loan from this bank. I'm going to open up a bank account, a banking savings and checking account, start depositing money in there so I can build a relationship and have a better chance of getting this $50,000 credit card and these $50,000 loans and lines of credit, right? So once you do all that, then you can go apply for these lines of credit and credit cards and loans, right? So today we're going to be talking about First Horizon Bank, where you can sign up for a bank account, build a relationship, business account, start depositing money, and get you a $50,000 loan, credit card, anything like that, all right? So without further ado, let's check out First Horizon and see where you can go to get you some money. All right, so today we're going to be talking about First Horizon Bank, all right? So they're a bank. You open up a bank account, checking or savings, but preferably banking account. I mean, a business account, so you can start getting these business perks and loans and stuff like that. So today we're gonna be talking about the Visa Small Business Credit Card. All right, generous credit lines and competitive interest rates help you control your cash flow and track expenses. Competitive interest rates and generous credit lines distinguish our business card with the ability to simplify everyday purchases and track your expenses. This card can be a valuable asset to your bottom line. So product features: credit lines up to $50,000, interest free grace period on purchase. Visa liability waiver program protects your business from misuse by terminated employees up to $100,000 per card holder. 0% APR introductory rate on purchases for 6 months following the account opening date. So product benefits: worldwide acceptance, enjoy automatic discounts on qualifying purchases with Visa Savings Edge. No coupons, no codes, just savings. Auto retail insurance at no additional charge. Online access to transactions records through our website. Access your account information 24/7 through the toll-free automated touch tone service. Emergency cash and card replacement. $250,000 automatic common carrier insurance when you purchase airline, train, or other common carrier tickets. Compatible with Apple Pay for convenient purchases with an iPhone. So interest rates and term payments: annual percentage rate prime plus 5.9% for purchases and cash advantages. Grace period for repayment of the balances of purchases. You have 25 days on average to repay your entire balance before a finance charge on purchase will be imposed, you pay your total previous balance in full by the payment due date. The grace period does not apply to cash advances. Minimum payment, 5% of new balances. Fees, annual membership, none. Other fees may apply. This account is subject to our cardholder agreement, which includes a provision for the attribution of claims. All right, so $50,000 with that. So then they got the personal banking, credit cards and stuff like that, small businesses. They got the banking, the credit cards. Then they got the borrow. They got the term loans that you can get up to 25,000 to 3 million. So this is secure loan amounts from 25 3 million, unsecured from 25 to 500,000. So you can use collateral, your own money, or not use your own money. Fixed and variable interest rates options. Flexible terms up to 84 months depending on collateral. Potential tax savings. Multiple payment options. Secured and fully optimized. So check them out, all right? So they got a lot of different products that you can get. Signature loans and all that stuff like that. So without further ado, let's check out First Horizon. Let's talk about them. So let's talk about it. First Horizon Bank, they giving out 50,000, 25s, all type of stuff. You just got to build that relationship. You just got to open up a bank account. It can be personal or it can be business. But if you want to get the things on the business side, make sure you have a business checking and savings account with them, so you can start building up a relationship and have a better chance of getting approved for these loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. All right, so like I said, make sure y'all paying attention to the steps that I gave y'all in the beginning of the video, because as long as you do, you will have a better opportunity and a chance to get the funds and the loans that you need to succeed. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle supporters, fans, and subscribers, new and old, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping sauce, and keep y'all entertained and keep y'all happy. All right, so we're gonna keep it going, we're gonna keep it flowing. All right, shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their credit cleaned and built, you want me to teach you how to do that? Trade lines, loans, credit cards, all that good stuff. Tap in, $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's gonna start at $1,500. All right, so make sure y'all tap into my credit business, New Age Credit Repair. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, you want to learn one basic lesson about one thing, FaceTime one-on-one will be $500. All right, so make sure you're tapping in on that. Anybody out there looking to get their FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, it will be $1,200. You'll get all the information from credit to CPNs to how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, how to invest, how to make passive income, all the good stuff like that. Unlimited gems are self-explanatory. All right, it's unlimited gems. So make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all unlimited gems, FaceTime one-on-ones. Also, make sure y'all getting y'all mentorship. I'm taking people under my wings. You will get, it comes with all the limited gems. Plus, you will learn about the DW, and we will make money together. We will create YouTube automation channels. We will make money together. We will split the proceeds down the middle. So make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, make sure you booking your seat on the crypto tour. In-person unlimited gems. $35 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I gotta come out-of-state to you, $4,500. $35, you come in state to me. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, still looking for people for the production company. Actors, rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, all that good stuff like that. Tap in. Any rapper or singer, y'all ready to get y'all chain, y'all watch and start making money with this music. You really got a passion for it. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you and your career? Make it make sense. Any models out there, any beautiful ladies out there that got a good head on their shoulders, that don't got a bad attitude, that's ready to build their platform, their brand, get their face out there, really start making money, experiencing new things. What I mean by that, you might do a blog, a podcast, or interview. You might do something new, but you never know what'll pop for you. So make sure you're ready to tap in. Make sure you're ready to work. Have a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. Point blank. Period. I ain't got time for it. All right. So tap in. Let's win together. Also, looking for a cameraman out there. Anybody that got good editing and video camera skills, tap in. Surrounding areas is working, get this money. So, oh yeah, anybody out there looking to get that Cash App glitchy, tap in. $250 before prices go up to $350. Don't miss out. Be cashing out. This just today. Cash App glitchy cracking. So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying? Cash App glitchy, $250 going to $350 soon. So make sure y'all tapping in on that. And let's get this money. Telegram link is in my community post. You can find me there. Make sure y'all go run up them followers on my IG, King Hussle X1M. Make sure y'all go and the real Hussle, King Hussle X1M. Make sure y'all looking out for these fake pages too. I got a lot of fake telegrams too. Anybody telegram that say King Hussle anything, that's automatically a red flag that ain't me. Not telegram has nothing to do with no King Hussle or no Hussle Nation, nothing. So if y'all talking to a King Hussle on Telegram, that's not me, all right? So block and report that page. Also, understand I got 29, almost 30,000 followers on IG. Nothing more, nothing less. So if that page ain't got that, that ain't me. And then before y'all send y'all money, just get a FaceTime verification call or a video, all right? So be more smart, be more aware, tap in, let's get this money. And y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.